This is how. See, my straps are ready to go. I don't have my thingies on, so we'll put these thingies on. This is how to improperly load your dirt bike. Don't learn enough bad habits from people that may or may not possibly be on TV or a computer of some type or on your phone. You know, strangers can teach you bad habits too. I just want everybody to be clear on that. And you want to keep your motorcycle running so that you don't have to kick it again, because who buys a kickstart to kick it all the time? Coming in hot. All right, then you always, hey, look at that, look at that. Put it in neutral. And that, pray tell, is exactly how not to load a motorcycle in your truck. Not yours. I say in a truck, because you know, you never know whose truck you might be needing to load a motorcycle in. And I'd hate you to be like, I know how to do it in my truck, I don't know how to do it in your truck. Alright. That was the improper way, right? I think I said that. How to improperly load your motorcycle in the truck.